Both teams are hungry for the win. Let's see who is gonna take the win home. And this is the starting 11 for the visitors today. Kick-off. Knocks it towards to the front. Might be able to get in behind the defence. What a chance! Just the keeper to beat! Might really be able to trouble them here. That was an amazing save! Pushing it forward. Nice block! Looking for options. Knocks it towards to the front. Pushing it forward. Good play, one-on-one. Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. Beautiful footwork. Losing possession. Good ball movement and a decent position here. That's great defending. They're stopping that attack. He scored! Golden opportunity. Still in control of the scoreline, but that's a wake-up call. Seeking out a passing lane. Keeping possession nicely. Knocks it towards to the front. Losing possession. The team is showing aggression, grabbing the lead early in the game. Credit to them for winning back possession over the byline, hence a goal kick. Oh, so close! Pass back. Seeking out a passing lane. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. Fails to keep the ball. Just missed a golden opportunity. Launching it long. Keeping possession nicely. Good play, one-on-one. Good ball movement and a decent position here. It's in! Plenty of power on that! Oh dear, looks like the shooter left shooting boots behind. Trying to find the target man. Carrying the ball forward. Carrying the ball forward. A decent effort that. The first half turns to a close. A great save! Real class! Second half is finally starting. Losing possession. Beautiful footwork. Here's the delivery. The ball is out of bound. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Pushing it forward. Good play, one-on-one. Goal! Two-thirds through, players showing signs of fatigue. A reminder that no lead is entirely comfortable in this game. Fails to keep the ball. Through ball. They're ahead. As long as they keep up the defence, the win should be theirs. Knocks it towards to the front. Losing possession. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Chances on. Fails to keep the ball. A very timely interception. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Firing from the corner. That's a goal kick. Rattles the post. Looking to keep possession. Looking for options. It's in! Plenty of power on that. A great save. Real class. A reminder that no lead is entirely comfortable in this game. Reads the play beautifully. Losing possession. Didn't miss by very much. Subs getting ready. Sending it deep. Good play, one-on-one. Tried a through ball. Breaking free. Pressure forced the error. Needs some improvement on shot accuracy. Restart from the goalkeeper. Nice long ball. Carrying the ball forward. Face to face with the goalkeeper. Nice one. A half-baked clearance. The referee says that is all for today. Today's game has come to an end. It was a fantastic match.